Welcome to your Workamajig training session. This session will cover the wonderful world of widgets. When you initially sign into Workamajig, you will be at your desktop. The desktop is comprised of several widgets. Everyone's desktop will look a bit different depending on your role in the company. In this overview, we'll go over the most common widgets and how to add them if desired. Note that you can move your widgets around by dragging them via their top bar to the desired location on your desktop and resize them using the bottom right corner. Most users will have a large widget at the top of their dashboard called My Tasks. When project tasks are assigned to you in Workamajig, this is where they show up. The My Tasks widget updates automatically. If it does not refresh, you can do so manually with the Refresh button next to the date on the top left of the My Tasks widget. After making any changes within the My Tasks widget, remember to click the Save button. If you don't remember which button to use, hover over the buttons for help. The My Tasks widget also has a search bar in the upper right corner. Note that this will only search within this particular widget. There is also an icon that looks like two gears, which allows you to change your view settings within the My Tasks widget. You can also make further customizations to the columns with the wrench icon to the left of the word Columns. Click OK to save your changes, or Cancel to return to your desktop without saving. Underneath My Tasks is another widget called Active Projects. Unlike My Tasks, this widget does not auto-refresh. You should get in the habit of clicking the Refresh button in the top left corner on a regular basis. Like the My Tasks widget, Active Projects also has a search bar and a view settings icon. The Today's Time widget will be covered in more detail in another training video. You can change the visual appearance of your desktop and add or remove desktop widgets by clicking the Wrench button in the upper right corner. Existing widgets now have an X icon in the top left corner, and the Desktop Settings menu will appear. Clicking the X button will remove them from your desktop. From within the Desktop Settings menu, you have color, image, and theme options. You can also add widgets to your desktop by clicking and dragging them to your desktop. It is important to note that clicking the plus next to Widget in the desktop settings will create a new desktop. It will not add widgets to your existing desktop. Clicking the minus will delete the current desktop. You can rotate from one desktop to the next by using the arrows located in the speed bar. As an aside, if your cursor changes to a double-headed arrow after customizing your desktop, use the Escape key to return the cursor to its normal function. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. When in doubt, hover over an icon or button to see what it does. Always keep your eye out for a Save button. Finally, some icons, such as Refresh and View Settings, only show up when that widget is active. You may need to click on the widget for these to become visible. And don't forget to log out when you're done. This keeps our system secure. This concludes your Wonderful World of Widgets Workamajig training session.